Yo, what's up? So we're getting ready to start putting on the graphics and plastics and everything onto my CRF. Got them all finished up. The KLX is all finished up also, but I'm waiting on my swing arm before I end up going and throwing everything back together. I'm also waiting on motor parts still. But show you some of the parts I got. Also, I got my wheels built for my big bike also. So I'll see what these things look like. So I got the graphics, number plates, the other part of the number plates, front number plate, shrouds, rear fender, front fender. I went with a set of Tusk Impact hubs, and then I found a set of anodized red and silver spokes for it. Same for the back. Just ended up using the stock rims just because, I mean, DID, they're a pretty good brand already, so ended up just getting those all laced up. Got the pit bike wheels, but not showing those till later because don't want to give that build away too much. But got mica metal sprockets, front and rear, Renthal chain, set of hand guards, and the seat cover that we did up. But yeah, so bike should be sick once we get it finished up. About to start on it here. Hopefully it won't take me too long. But anyways, let's get into it. Yo, what's up? So I just got the bike all finished up. I'll give you a little go around of everything that I did to it and put on it. I ended up going with, like I said, I got the wheels built with a set of anodized red nipples, silver spokes, and Tusk anodized red hubs. I redid all the plastics with Acerbis plastics. The graphics were made up by Rival Ink Design Co. Right there, you can check that out. They got tons of bikes, Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki, you name it, it's on there. They got it all, but they killed this kit. Absolutely love it. The seat cover I got from Thrill Seekers. It's just a stock seat. I just threw the seat cover on it. And then I ended up going with a Mica Metals rear sprocket and front sprocket and a Renthal gold chain. And same with the rear wheel, Tusk hub, anodized red nipples, silver spokes. But that's pretty much everything. I didn't get to put my whole shot device on because I have my tool at work to drill out all this, so I'll have to get that so I can swap this over. But yeah, I'm stoked on everything. About to get some pictures of it. But anyways, that's the end of the CRF build. I'll catch you guys back once we get to the KLX.